swing trade in Manappuram. This is the why and where and how was the part of the video. I will try to explain what I did. So Manappuram had a very good move from a triple, almost a double bottom, and it was having huge resistance at this area around. So, and on this day, after consolidating at a very narrow range, it made a beautiful hammer and a bullish engulfing candle. So we went long the next day, on this day, 25th of June, at 191.4, and our stop loss was 188, the low of the hammer candle, or just about tad above that, and our target was 208, which gave us 1:7 risk reward ratio. And this is a 7-hour trade, and we were able to close it in 1, 2, and third day. Today we closed the trade. So this is the trade that we did. Just a beautiful swing trade. Hope this methodology was clear. It's just pure candlestick space trade, and it's bouncing off a support region, and then formed a bullish engulfing, and we entered the next day on a pullback, and 3 days later we booked out with a nice 10% gain. So thank you very much. Bye bye.